In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange your love2shop gift card for an e-gift card. We all know that feeling when you've received a love2shop gift card, and you're excited about the possibilities. But maybe you have a particular store in mind that you'd prefer to shop at, or you're keen on online shopping for the convenience it brings. Whatever your reasons, here's how you can make that exchange to better suit your shopping needs. Start by heading over to the official love2shop website. If you're not already familiar with it, the site is a hub for managing your gift card options and it's very straightforward to navigate. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any unwanted issues. Once there, you're going to want to log in, so go ahead and enter your user credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to register. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. Just follow the prompts to set everything up. Having an account will make this process a lot smoother. Once you're logged in, look for the section dedicated to gift card management or exchanges. The site is designed to be user-friendly, so with a little browsing, you should easily find this area. Now, locate the option to exchange your gift card. It's typically presented clearly, given how common this action is. You will need to enter some information from your love2shop gift card. This usually includes the card number and possibly a PIN. Take a moment to carefully input these details to avoid any errors, as even one wrong digit could cause an inconvenience. After you've entered your card information, proceed to choose the e-gift card that you wish to receive in exchange. You'll be presented with a list of available options. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the variety of retailers available. Some popular names usually pop up, so pick the one that suits your shopping needs best. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to confirm your choice. Double-check everything: the card details, the retailer you've chosen, and ensure it's all correct. Confirming these details is crucial because once the exchange is done, it's typically irreversible. After confirming, the process will be initiated and shortly, you'll receive your new e-gift card, usually via email or directly within your account on their website. Congratulations, you've successfully exchanged your love2shop gift card for an e-gift card. Now you can use it to shop with your preferred retailer. Just ensure you check the terms and conditions of the new card so you're aware of any restrictions. Enjoy shopping with the convenience and freedom your new e-gift card offers. Thank you for following along, and happy shopping!